Hello guys and welcome to Lagos, the city on the south of Portugal. Today is a beautiful morning and we are going for kayaking because there are many beautiful caves in Portugal here. We're going to see today. While kayaking along the coast of Lagos, you will see a huge number of rocks and caves. Erosion makes them form into unusual shapes, and you can guess what this or that rock looks like. The structure also makes the cliff home to a lot of birds. I saw that video of me kayaking only might be too long and boring, so let's add something else to this video. For example, let's explore the city. Lagos is an ancient maritime city with over 2000 years of history. Its old center is definitely worth to visit. Beautiful old streets, houses with old Portuguese styles, plenty of cottage shops and restaurants to grab something to eat. And don't forget to try some fresh fish in this beautiful city. By exploring the city, I meant let's have a short walk to the beach, because Lagos is a very unique touristic destination because they have really nice and really beautiful beaches, not so far from the city center, and I'm going to show you three of them. One of those beaches are called Praia da Batata, which is translated to Potato Beach. I think it's cute. And the coolest thing about these three beaches in Lagos is that they are connected by tunnels cut into the rock. Traveling through these tunnels is very exciting. And the last beach of Praia de Estudiantes is definitely worth to visit for an incredible view of the Lagos Roman Bridge. It's really nice except for the enormous amount of the seaweed. Now let's go back to kayaking. on these kayaking videos you might notice lots of people staying on the top of the cliff, and you might wonder how did they get there. It's very simple. In Lagos they have lots of viewpoints on this cliff, and now we are going to check the southeast of this viewpoint, probably the big Pharaoh. Check this leaf, it looks like someone's leg. You can see 5 fingers. Something happened with this one, and there is extra one. So on the bottom of the ladder, it's the same space we saw on the kayaks yesterday, but here they also have a boat tour. So you can wait a bit and there will be a lady who is taking people from boat and to the boat. You can pay 20 euros for 2 person and have half of the hour ride around these cliffs. So from this point we have 2 possible directions of hike along the coast, to the Lagos way to go back and to the Luz way. We are going to explore them both. So we are on the Praia do Camilo, the secret beach, and the cool part about it is that it has 2 parts. So when the water is low you can get to the second part of the beach using this tunnel, but when the water is high, like right now, you can use that tunnel in the rock. This is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed our time in Lagos, and tomorrow we are going to go in another very beautiful place, so I'll see you there. Bye.